Welcome to Corona del Sol Estates in South Tempe. Homes here are highly sought after for their large lots and custom floor plans. And this home has very spacious common living areas that are fantastic for gatherings. Here's the most important space in any house, the kitchen. This is another fantastic space with vaulted ceilings, plenty of counter space and storage. Let's check out the primary suite. The primary suite in this home is positively huge. A California King mattress will definitely fit in here, and the spa tub is just as you'd expect. Now we're off to see the den and the second and third bedrooms. Like the primary suite, both of these bedrooms are oversized, and these have fantastic built-in storage. And here's the second bath. And here's the fourth bedroom and third bath. Let's check out the backyard. Out back, you'll find a diving pool with a new pump, built-in barbecue, and plenty of space for outdoor entertaining and to play. This property is less than a mile from local favorite restaurants, Postino's and Ghost Ranch, minutes to Trader Joe's, Sprouts, and AJ's, and under 20 minutes to Sky Harbor, Intel, and the Chandler high-tech corridor. Homes in Corona del Sol Estates rarely come on the market, so make sure you get over to check this one out.